Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haiqal. I'm from class 4SC2. I'm from group 8 with my partner, Muhammad Rabiul Khaffi. And this is our project of the web programming for mobile devices. So in this project, we created a website that is responsive for mobile devices. It is called Ccit. So this website is basically a website of a design agency. So it is not very different from a self website, like a portfolio website uh, for a person. But the difference is this is a website of an agency. So we show the customer what we can do, our services, what we have done, and stuff. So X is actually it is taken from a fictional character name from the movie Kingsman. If you guys know what Kingsman is, so I'm gonna walk you through the PowerPoint, and I'm gonna walk you through the actual website, the responsiveness and stuff, and then I'm gonna walk you through the Angular JavaScript stuff, and the rest of it will be explained by my partner. Okay, so the first one, this is me and my partner. Okay, so the first one is the home interface. Okay, I'm gonna show you now the actual website. So this is the actual website here we created. We create this like, very simple, colorful, but pleasing in the eyes. We have the navigation bar here. We have the welcome text. So we actually made this website like as simple as possible. We don't want like too many pages because we want it to be in one page all the information. So here we have the about us right here. You can also like navigate from the navigation bar like that. If you click more, it will take you to the about us page. This is the more complete information about the about us page. Some text here, and then the themes, the fictional themes. I mean, and then at the bottom here you can see the reach us section, the email, the fax, the fictional phone number, and then the fictional map here, as you can see, this responsive and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna take you back to the homepage here. Then we have the products here. On the yellow section here, we have the products and services. So this design agency, they provide services to design mobile app like the UI and the UX, then the website design and illustrations. So those three services. And then we have the projects here. Like this is like a simple carousel, image carousel that shows some projects that we have made, like the agency have made in the past. And then here we have some quotes from my friend who is the CEO of the agency here. And then on the bottom we have the another contact us where the customer or the user can interact with us in order to make a transaction or an order. So here the user need to input their email address, the phone number, submit it, and then we will send them messages through their emails, and then we can start talking from there. And then this is the footer of our website. Okay, so the responsiveness. Wait, this is the wait, this is the tablet view. As you can see, actually, I'm not gonna use the inspect. I'm just gonna resize it like this. As you can see here, the navigation bar is responsive. As you can see, it is very responsive. Same as the stuff inside the website here, as you can see. And if you want to go to the About Us page, this is the About Us page. Okay. And then for the mobile, like phone, okay, same as the tablet, but it's more tight. Okay. So this is basically the walkthrough of our website. And now I'm gonna show you about the AngularJS part that we use in the contact us over here. So I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna leave the email address blank and the phone number blank. If I click submit, error message will pop up like that. So that's AngularJS. I'm gonna show you the code now. Okay. So uh, if you want to use the AngularJS, you need to import the script first over here on the 8th line. So after you've inputted the script, the next thing you need to do is to go to the body. Then you need to put ng app like this. So what it does is basically it refers this body as the root for the application. So once you have that done, then you can continue to put the script, the AngularJS script. In this project, uh, we've put it over here on the form, as you can see. So on the form here, we put the name my form, and then no validate. No validate is to tell the browser not to validate anything the user put in the field, in the text field, or the email address and stuff. The next thing is the form. Um, the form here we have on the 188th line here. I put the name, the form, my form, and then on the input type for the email is email, and the name is email, the ng module is email, and the ID is email. So all of them are the same. And then we have the placeholder here, and then the pattern, and then required. And then down here is the script for the AngularJS. So ng show my form, the form name, submit it, my form, the form name, email, the ng module email, then dirty. And here is the script for the error message. So class error, my form email error required, class. This is the exclamation circle is actually the script to show the I think it's an icon of the exclamation circle, but somehow it doesn't show up. And then the email required message. So if the user input anything on the email address that does not meet the requirements, so whether it's empty or doesn't have the requirements, the message will show up. Okay, now for the phone. Okay, so it is basically the same as the email. The difference is just the name. If you can see here on the email, we have the name email, ID email, ng model email. At the phone, uh, instead of email, we have phone. So we change it to phone. And then as you can see here on the script here, we have ng min length 12 and ng max length 12. So anything that the user input below 12 or above 12 will come out as an error. And the rest is basically the same. Okay, so on the phone number, we actually have two error messages. The first one is if the phone number is empty, and the other one is if the phone number is below 12 or above 12. So this is the empty, and then this is below 12, and if it's above 12, the phone number should be 12 digits, the same. But if it's 12, nothing will appear like that. So that's AngularJS, and I think that's it for me. The rest will be explained by my partner. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rabiul Khaffi, and my partner Muhammad Haiqal has been present to you about our projects. He is explaining about the project like globally, and I'm here to explain to you about the website. I am here to show to you about the website and the coding of the HTML, CSS, and the others. So basically, Axie is an designers platform. Like we are here as an agency that designed everything mostly, website, mobile, or UI UX, and we are making the landing page of the Exi itself. Here it is, the page. We made a carousel effect here. There's an arrow for changing the photos. There's an indicator that where are you at the photos, like in what photos are you? And after that, there is a testimonials from me as a CEO of Axie. And then this is the contact us section that if you guys interested in our services, you can just simply put your email address and phone number, and we or our teams will be contact you as soon as possible. This is the footers. There is a Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook of the Exit. And in the About Us section, there is a more button that will head to the About Us page. Here it is, the teams. We are showing the teams and where you can reach us, like the maps and the contact address and the other things. So basically this is the home page, home button. So basically this is a Jumbotron element from Bootstrap 4. We are using Bootstrap 4. We're not using Bootstrap 5 because it's a beta version, not a fixed version. So I think it will not compatible in all of the browsers around the globe. So we are using the version 4 that is been exist for like 2 years or more. I forget about it. And this is the carousel effect. It is available also in the uh, Bootstrap. This is using JavaScript, using jQuery, but we are using Bootstrap and we're simply type carousel in the class section that I will show you here. Sorry, where it is. This is products, and this is the project. We're just simply copy and paste the template from the Bootstrap page and implement it in our website, like this, a carousel effect, and this is the indicators. This is the photos that we've been showing to you guys, and I made it responsive. I've made it responsive for all type of devices, any kind of devices. It was all responsive there. As an example, iPhone 7 or 8 Plus for mobile phone viewing. This is the tablet, maybe. Yeah, the tablet view. It was all responsive. It was all good. There is no defect. It was all good. And the laptop, large laptop. I'm here to show to you my CSS sheets It's a little bit simple. Like I only set a padding a little bit, setting a font a little bit, because everything is already handled by Bootstrap. This is the assets like photos, and this is the style sheets. It's simple. Like uh, maybe everyone is asking, where is the responsive method? Where is the other method? Like I only make this for map responsive for yeah the responsive method for map because it is not Bootstrap doesn't have it. And how I made it responsive is by using this uh, grid grid system from Bootstrap. So it was all responsive automatically and using some fluid element in the class, and then yeah, that's it. Simple. Just a little bit of settings, and you guys can have a responsive, fully responsive pages. Even you doesn't have to make a manual. You doesn't have to make a manual CSS style sheets if you are using Bootstrap. If you're knowing Bootstrap so well, I'm not knowing Bootstrap well, so I still use this CSS style sheets. But actually, Bootstrap has already made your life easier because they have everything you needed. As as a junior front-end web developer, I think Bootstrap is really good at this because they have all stuff that you needed. Like if you want to build a basic website, you can just purely use the Bootstrap. You doesn't have to add your manual style sheets into your projects. Maybe that's all that I have explained to you. This is sorry, this is an about page. I forget about it. I'm missing it. Sorry. As you can see, it was simple. Like yeah, just like that. I don't know what to explain, but this is very simple. Very simple. Purely use Bootstrap in this. Okay, that's it maybe from me, and thank you for wasting your time and listening to my explanation before. And thank you. Good luck for you. Bye bye.